Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we on color correction mode in our Tecno phone, and guys how can you use your color correction mode setting in your Tecno phone. In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to on your color correction. Then guys scroll it. After that guys you can see guys your phone special function setting in your Tecno mobile. So guys click here. Then guys you can see your accessibility setting, again tap here. Then guys again scroll it. As you can see color correction, can tap here to on, so you can on from here, and guys your screen color will change. Guys you can see color correction mode as on in our Tecno phone. So like that guys you can on your color correction mode, and guys you want to use, you can use with your phone color correction mode setting. So your icon color will remove. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.